Hey everybody, John Stovall, MarineMax Lake Lanier. You join me today on a 2026 Sylvan L3. This is a 23-foot boat in the Sylvan L series. 2026, so it has the new Sylvan L series interior, which I love. It's got the beautiful new upholstery that's all diamond stitched, cup holders and USB chargers. This has the upgraded wet sound system as well. And true to all Sylvans, enclosed storage spaces, meaning whatever you hose off on your deck is not going to get in your storage boxes, so anything you put in there will remain dry. With the double hinges that have hooks on the back of them so you don't go toppling over. This boat has in-floor storage with the beautiful upgraded vinyl weave teak flooring, storage space slash changing room in here. This is a dual helm captain's chair setup boat. Simrad 7-inch display with the raised helm, and again the wet sound stereo that I mentioned earlier. Moving on back, this is really what sets this boat apart from the other ones. This is a RLZ layout, so split lounge boat. This converts into a multitude of different ways, so you could have picnic style seating just like this, or if you want to have forward facing seats, you can. So you got forward facing loungers, or if you want them both going the opposite direction, you can do so as well. Or the party trick is they fold down in the center and make one big lounger, whichever direction you want to go. This has the upgraded power bimini as well, with the fully enclosed powder coated stern railing and the lily pad ladder, powered by a Mercury 250 horsepower Pro XS V8 outboard. Appreciate you taking the time to look at this new L3 with us. If you want more information, please visit us at www.marinemax.com.